We are on Denny's patrol. Me and Mr. Autist Unknown.
Just call me Autist Unknown? What the F was that?
I said.
Okay, well, that one is.
Artist Unknown.
That one's behind us.
Artist Unknown.
Doing those
the Denny's restaurant. So I don't have to.
So what's the food plan?
Get out of here.
Food plan. I've been asking you guys what's the food plan, and nobody's decided to do anything.
We are coming up on a Hardee's and a Wendy's.
So Hardee's or Wendy's? That sound good?
I'd rather have Wendy's.
I mean, it's literally. I guess it's the next exit. Like they're right next to an off ramp.
Okay, cool. That solves it.
Let's all just sing 5 Nights at Wendy's on a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. 5 Nights at Wendy's.
You're the only one.
I wasn't paying attention.
5 Nights at Wendy's.
5 Nights at Wendy's.
That's what I want
I'll
to
spend 5 nights at Wendy if you know what I mean.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, here's some of my meat. Haha.
Where's the beef?
Hey, screw you, Wendy.
That's a hard. That's Arby's.
Arby's. Wait. Is it? Yeah.
Yeah,
100% pure beef.
Arby's. We have the meats.
Say it again with an Italian accent. Go.
It's me, Mario.
It's a meat.
I'm William from William and the Worm, and you're watching the Disney Channel.
That'll never happen. First Sly Cooper is so different from the other Sly Coopers, is it not?
Feet, keep right at the
You know, I
floor.
can't
Follow
remember.
signs
I
for
can't
Lake
keep
City.
them like differentiated well enough
Like,
to really have this conversation.
The first one,
Keep right at the fork.
the first one did like a whole live system. The other one had like health bars. What the heck? Conk. So we made it to the freaking Wendy's here.
The freaking Wendy's.
Yeah, we're gonna get some to eat. We're gonna get some to eat. The freaking Wendy's. Give me that cool shot though. That cool shot of the Wendy's. We'll pull a prank on him. We moved the car.
Let's go behind him. Let's go.
Look, there he is. The car's gone. Look, there he is.
We are right behind
In half a mile, turn left onto the I-75
We don't see him. He's coming! Ah!
God, there he is. Do. Oh God, there he is. There he is. Lock the door.
Filled?
That's the Antifa man!
You need gas filled?
Yeah. Fill her up.
Ah!
That's diesel, you dimwit. Alright, Billy, fill her up. No! Fill her up. You get back out there. You get back out there.
You made me walk.
Get back out here.
Nope. Look at this amazing drama you're missing, Shuggy.
What are you fucking whining about?
Amazing drama.
Alex is like, get back out there and fill it up, and I'm like,
filming.
nope.
I'm filming though.
You're filming me, not Alex.
Well, yeah, but you can hear him. The reaction is all you.
Um,
You saw the show.
Suck my penis.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
What are you gonna miss about Florida?
Nothing.
Weather doesn't count.
Oh, the weather doesn't count? Well, then absolutely nothing.
Alright, what are you looking forward to the most?
Nothing. Death. I mean, spending some quality time with my best buddy, Shuggy Boogie, aka Hootendale, aka Hootendale85, aka Hootendale _, aka, real name, aka, Worm from William, Worm from William and the Worm, aka Linus Chip Tips, aka, I don't know what other.
The octopus on it.
Octopus on her. AKA.
You even watch that?
Yes.
Oh.
What, you think I'm not a real Hootendale fan?
We need to do a Hootendale marathon.
Yeah, anyway, I don't have to know. Not having to live in a chaotic environment anymore.
Well,
I don't know if that'll be the case though. I mean, Shuggy likes to scream at the middle of the night, so you know, we'll see.
got 2 months, buddy.
I'm gonna suck your dick in 2 months.
That's the only stressful thing.
I'm gonna suck your dick for 2 months straight.
Oh, the Florida sun.
Thank you for visiting Florida.
We left Florida. What do you think about it?
There's still a little bit.
Well, the sign. Let's just be real. The sign.
Unless that was unless the map's inaccurate.
Well, we left basically.
No, not Georgia yet. Not yet.
You will learn that Billy is the pro at dodging questions.
What was the question?
I don't even think he actually like thinks about it. He's just like the pro of delaying tactics and avoidance.
Prolapse. Oh.
Have you ever had a serious conversation in your life, Billy?
Yeah, I had a very serious one a few days ago. Camping World. Psh, man, get out of here. Oh,
Welcome to
we're-
Georgia.
Georgia.
Yeah, there we go. There we're Georgia! Georgia!
May say
Nothing's different.
Hey, I made the joke. Alex wasn't too keen on it, so hey, you do make it with me. What? Made in Georgia.
Wait, is there a jingle they do? I mean, it's usually just like
Made in Georgia.
Made in Georgia, like as in a maiden, not made in
Aqua Team Mongafos did it. Made in freaking Georgia.
William Street.
Talk about that. Let's go. Life's good. LG.
Woo! 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 This is my jam! We lost music! Where'd it go? Life's bad. Life's bad now.
That's all I got.
Okay. Life's bad.
What? Minivan.
That billboard had a picture of a minivan that was underwater, and it said, "Now is not the time to check your child's car seat."
I'm sorry, does that say nut milk is not milk?
What?
Why would you waste money to buy a billboard like that? This was paid for by the dairy industry.
Milk is not milk, it's nut.
Hey, Christmas Tom. I know I won't get copyrighted here. Unless.
Shuggy, Chris would not approve.
But I have it on my phone.
Wait, is that the defense we can use? I have it on my phone?
No.
My defense is, yeah, but guess who put it out first? My song now. My song now.
Well, you see, you didn't come through the distribution rights.
Alex is talking, why are you filming me?
Nah, I'm done talking now. Why are you filming me? Why are you filming me? I'm done talking! Get that camera out of my face or I'm gonna break it.
Stop taking pictures of me or I'm gonna break your camera.
I'm gonna break my own camera.
Don't despair, what you need to know is you will make it through. Just a message from me to you.
Boom, boom, bada boom.